So hey friends, today we are going to learn how to use the source in Azure. So suppose we have some, for example, we have this RG that is already available in portal that is already created, and we want to make use of this RG and send some deployment to this RG. So how do we use that data source thing that is we have in Terraform? So for example, you have this Azure RM data source, so you can just copy this in here, and let's go back to our code here. Instead of using this, we will be utilizing here. So let's change it to something RG, and we need to give the name of our existing RG. So as you can see in here, I have this 1254 RG. I'll copy that and I'll go back in here. I paste it here. Okay, so that is done. Now I need to change this as well here, data.rg.name. That was location, sorry. So location, and here we need to change it as data.rg.name. So this is only change you need to do in terms of when you are using the resource group. So this works same thing in other places also. Like if there is subnet, then you can just also I'll tell how do it work in subnet. So if you search it here, subnet, and here you have this data source, so you can take this block and pass in the name of that subnet, name of the vnet, and rg name. So once you pass these three values in there, then you can utilize the subnet, uh, pre-existing subnet, to deploy anything to there. So that is how it will work. So now let's see if this our code works pretty fine or not. So have to init, validate, let's do apply. So guys, if you are liking this video, just mm, give a thumbs up. That is all is needed. That's it. Thank you for watching, and let's see if it applies. So yeah, if you can see here, it is going and fetching the data from here, uh, and putting the location and RG name. So you can see that we have not provided the location name, but it is able to fetch the RG name from here and put it here. So we can confirm that East US is there. And this one, you can see this is deployed in East US, so absolutely fine. So that is how, if I just type yes, it will go and deploy. But no, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, or let's do that. It will take a little bit of time. I'll just pause the video by then, and once it is deployed, I'll. So now it is deployed. As you can see, successfully deployed. You can see one resource added. So let's go and check if it is deployed or not. So let's refresh my RG, and okay, here you can see my NSG123 if deployed. So this is how it works. So it's always recommended you go and do the destroy thing.